Now we take the fourth type of past tense, that is past perfect tense. See here, in the past perfect continuous tense, the structure of the sentence would be like this: subject plus have forms we are using, past have forms we are using, had plus been plus present participle plus the rest of the sentence. This is the structure of past perfect continuous tense. See in the example, she is a subject, had been, had been, had is a helping verb, auxiliary verb, be is the V3 form of the be form, had been watching, this is in present participle form, this is in present participle form, that is V plus ing form. We can see V plus ing form. So this is V plus ing form. Here watching is the present participle form which we have used here to make it past perfect continuous tense. She had been watching the movie for 2 hours. Now see the negative statement. The structure of the negative statement is simply we are adding not to this have form. But here we are placing this not between the have form and been form. So she had not been watching the movie for 2 hours. She had not been watching the movie for 2 hours. So here we are adding not to the have form to make it a negative statement. Now see the question. Had, that means helping verb, we are bringing it to the front. Had plus subject plus been plus present participle plus the rest of the sentence. That means had she been watching the movie for 2 hours? This is a question. Had she been watching the movie for 2 hours? So had is a helping verb, she is the subject, been be form, V3 form, and watching is V plus ing form, present participle form, and the movie for 2 hours. So this is the best example for the question structure in present perfect continuous tense. Now we see the uses of this tense. We use this present perfect continuous tense to refer to an activity of limited duration in the distant past. So we use this past perfect continuous tense to refer to an activity of limited duration in the distant past. We see an example. When my sister was in ninth class, she had been behaving strangely with everyone. That means the whole period she had been behaving strangely with everyone. So in ninth class, they're referring to past in past. 10th is past. 11th class, at present she is in 11th class. And 10th class, of course, it's a past. And 9th class, past in past. That means when my sister was in 9th class, she had been behaving strangely with everyone. So this is an example sentence. In such context, we use this past perfect continuous tense. That means we are referring to an activity for a limited duration. We're referring to an activity for limited duration in the distant past. That means this kind of behavior was not there when she was in 10th. When she was in 10th, that kind of behavior was not there. It was only when she was in 9th class, everyone could experience such a kind of behavior from her. That means she had been behaving strangely with everyone. This is only for a limited duration. So when we are referring to an activity of limited duration in the distant past, that means past in past. So we usually use this past perfect continuous tense. And this is all about past tense. Now we take future tense. In this future tense, the first type of future tense is future simple. It's future simple. So see the structure of this future simple. He will come here tomorrow. He will come here tomorrow. That means subject plus helping verb plus the base form, that is V1 form of the verb, plus the rest of the sentence. So to construct a simple future tense, what we need is subject plus the helping verb will plus the base form of the verb, that is V1 form of the verb, plus the rest of the sentence. He will is the helping verb, come is the main verb. He will come here tomorrow. So if you want to make a negative sentence, what we do is like we add not to this helping verb. We add not to this helping verb. He will not come here tomorrow. So simply we add not to this helping verb to make a negative statement. And if you want to frame a question, then what we do is we bring this helping verb to the front of the sentence. That means, will he not come here tomorrow? Will he not come here tomorrow? So this helping verb we are putting in the front of the sentence to make it a question. That means helping verb plus subject plus base form of the verb plus the rest of the sentence. This is the structure to make a question in simple future tense. Now, when we come to the uses of this simple future tense, when we predict